Hey, what's up? So today, one of my homegirls, she stopped by and she was like, "Bro, can you help me? Somebody changed my alternator and it's not charging." It's a Santa Fe. It's a Santa Fe, a Hyundai, you know, 2016, and we're doing the alternator. So it's really easy. I can't show you all step by step, but it's really easy. This is the easiest one I've ever done. I mean, not the easiest. Toyota Camrys 4 cylinders or Corollas 4 cylinders are the easiest. But check this out. But still, this one is easy because the tensioner is really easy. You just disconnect your negative cable right there. Always, because you're dealing with electrical components. So the next thing you want to do is come over here, move your tire, jack it up, put a stand. Security, safety is key. The jack is still there, but this is my safety. And just in case, Safety, I remove my tire. This little trim right here is held in place by two 10mm bolts. The second millimeter bolt is really hard to get to, so I used a long extension and a long turn. You got to understand what I'm talking about by a long turn. Just like there are short sockets and long sockets. I'm talking about the long one, not the short, the long one. So I pull them off. Now underneath, there's a cover, as you can see, it's down there. It's all held in place by 10mm bolts too, and some plastic clips, tabs. Plastic tabs like these ones. Screwdriver and popping out. But most often the screwdriver don't work because somebody did it already, so he messed it up. So you can always use this kind of tool, clip up. It takes like $10 or something, 10, 15, 20. Okay, now when I got it right here in the bottom, you can see the whole magic. Look at that. There's the belt, and this is the tensioner. Don't unscrew this bolt. Just use your tensioner right here. It's 90mm. Open it, the belt to release a little bit. Pull out your belt. You don't have to do too much. This stuff is in my way. This is the tensioner right here. This one, not this one, this one. This is a bolt for the tensioner. If you're trying to replace your tensioner, you might have to remove this bolt. But if not, this is it right here, 90mm. Open it, the belt will release. You pull out your belt, and the compressor, this thing right here, sits right here. All you got to do is 4 12mm bolts. I use a lot of these sockets they call subo extensions. I love them because they fit anywhere, and I use electrical tools, so it makes it quicker. So if you ain't got no electrical tools, but the swivel extension will help you a lot. It fits everywhere. It swings around, round and round. So when you pull off your compressor, it's gonna hang like this. People say it's not good to hang it, but the job is just a 1-hour job. It's quick once you got the new alternator with you. And the alternator itself sits right here. Sorry for the quality of my video. I'm just trying to show you all just in case you need help with this, because I was looking for a video, I didn't see it, so I said, fuck it, let me just do it. There's one bolt here, 14, and one at the top, 14. It's very easy. 2 clips. One for the compressor, which you should disconnect before removing the compressor. It's gonna hang and might cut. And one for the alternator. And I always remove all my connections before I even remove the port. And then there's this thing right here. It's held by 12mm. You can get all of that before you remove the alternator. One bolt, then you put it off. And that's it. You drop your alternator. 2 bolts. They're all the same. There's no difference. You don't need to, sorry, it's a mess. You don't need to do anything. Change anywhere where anyone go. They're all the same, so you can switch it, match it, or whatever. Now, okay, sorry. This is what I was talking about. The only problem is that on the alternator, on the top, there's a cable clip that hangs here. So make sure you disconnect. You just pull it out. It's like a push and play thing from the underneath. I think everybody will be smart enough to figure it out. If not, try. Because if you're trying to do this job, you're gonna have to think outside the box. If you're trying to fix your car yourself, it means you're thinking out of the box of your field. If you're not a mechanic. So that's it. The alternator is out. Easy. 2 bolts. 1, 2. See, it's like that. Super easy. Now I'm gonna go return this and get another one. Like I thought, it's remanufactured. You know. So I hope that helped. If it didn't, I'm sorry. I just try my best to do a video for you guys. Alright. Peace.